If your chicken always turns dry at home, the problem is rarely cooking time alone. Most people assume overcooking is the main reason chicken loses moisture and tenderness. In reality, dryness comes from how heat moves through the meat while cooking. This process starts the moment the chicken touches a hot pan or grill. Most home cooks focus only on timing, watching the clock instead of the meat. They believe removing chicken earlier automatically keeps it juicy and soft. That belief sounds logical, but it misses how heat actually behaves inside protein. Here is what is really happening inside the chicken as it cooks. Heat always enters meat from the outside and slowly moves toward the center. The thicker the chicken, the longer that heat needs to spread evenly. When the pan is too hot, the surface cooks much faster than the inside. This creates a strong temperature difference between outside and center. Proteins on the surface tighten quickly when exposed to aggressive heat. As they tighten, they push moisture out of the meat fibers. That moisture has nowhere to go, so it escapes as steam and liquid. This is why the chicken starts drying out before it looks fully cooked. Even if the center is still slightly underdone, moisture is already gone. Lowering the heat changes this entire process in your favor. Gentler heat allows proteins to tighten more slowly and evenly. This gives moisture time to stay trapped inside the meat. Thickness now becomes something you can control instead of fear. Matching heat level to thickness is the real secret professionals use. Another mistake happens right before people remove chicken from the pan. Most cooks wait until the meat looks completely done before stopping. This ignores something called carryover heat, which continues cooking the meat. Even off the pan, heat keeps traveling toward the center for several minutes. If you wait too long, carryover heat finishes drying the chicken completely. Restaurants remove chicken earlier and let residual heat finish the job. This keeps proteins relaxed while the inside gently reaches the right temperature. The result is chicken that stays juicy without guessing or cutting early. Dry chicken is not caused by bad ingredients or weak recipes. It comes from misunderstanding how heat and thickness work together. Once you control heat speed instead of just cooking time, results improve fast. Cooking stops feeling random and starts feeling predictable and repeatable. If your chicken keeps turning dry, do not change the recipe. Change how you manage heat from start to finish instead.